Hi, my name is Denise Pierce, and I chose for my ad design the Levi's ad, specifically the Go Forth campaign. They actually had a lot of different themes within this campaign, but the theme of this particular ad is work. Their tagline is "Everybody's work is equally important." On the campaign website, it said that Levi's wanted to portray the message that Levi's clothing is the uniform of progress. So let's take a closer look at the original ad. The design of this ad is made to feel slightly retro and all-American. It shows work by portraying a man in work clothes with his shovel. The ad is obviously black and white. I feel this accomplishes their kind of retro design with the black and white. If they had done it in color, I feel like it would have had a much different feel. With the black and white, it's very contrasting, and the focus is the font and the man, and obviously the only color coming from the Levi's logo. It gives it a very all-American feel. The typography in this ad is all sans serif, from the tagline to the logo, to the Levi.com and the Braddock, Pennsylvania in the corner. There's no fluff in this ad, and that's kept consistent with the typography. They actually shot regular people from Braddock, Pennsylvania. They didn't use models, professional models, and that's why the Braddock, Pennsylvania is in the corner. And I feel that also, well, knowing that for me gives it that retro, all-American, legit kind of feel. The fonts in the corners with the Braddock, Pennsylvania and the Levi.com are also sans serif, kind of a handwritten font. And the logo is classic Levi's sans serif. The color in this ad is super simple, obviously. They chose the black and white photo for the vintage feel like we talked about. Kind of a no-nonsense feel, and the only color is literally just the red logo in the corner. So let's take a look at the new ad. I chose a picture of someone doing yard work and changed the tagline to say, "The sweetest work is in your own backyard." I felt like this stayed consistent with the theme of work, but kind of kept it a little closer to home. Consistencies in this ad are that the photo is black and white, obviously, which stays in keeping with the original ad. It gives it the kind of retro feel. I feel like the model also looks slightly retro and vintage. The only color, as in the original ad, is the Levi's logo. The typography is also similar to the typography in the original ad, down to the Braddock, Pennsylvania and the Levi.com in the corners. And I feel like this photo did a good job of capturing the feel of the original ad. Thanks for watching.